Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 17th lesson. In previous period we had learned the phrasal verbs and its importance, okay, and how they give new meanings, okay. Today we are going to learn the same question related with that previous topic. Okay, look here. Fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal verbs. We have to fill the suitable phrasal verbs in the blanks. Okay, look here. For example, it has been a difficult term, so all the teachers are looking forward to. Okay, are looking forward to. It is one phrasal verb. Okay, their holidays. Okay, according to sentence meaning, we have fill here the phrasal verbs. The same here. Look here. The young. Okay. The young children have been practicing. Okay, the young children have been practicing the same song. The same song for hours. Full stop. They are fed up with it. Okay, it is one phrasal verb. Related with our previous topic, we use that phrasal verbs in the blanks. Are fed up with means bored. That means it will be dull like that. Okay. Are fed up with like a bored. Okay. Bored. Boring. It is the meaning of that phrasal verb. Are fed up with. Okay. We learned that. Now the second sentence is here. I have known Sarah since our first day. Okay. I have known Sarah since our first day at primary school. Full stop. I get on with her really well. Okay. Get on with. We use here this phrasal verb that means a good relationship or good behavior, like with we conduct, we match up with our friends. Okay. We maintain relationship. Get on with her really well. Okay. It shows that phrasal verbs show the good relationship between Sarah and that man. Okay, I have known Sarah since our first day at primary school. I get on with. Okay, are you getting that? Get on with her really well. That means our knowing is well. We can easily understand our feelings like that. Okay, now the third one is here. The teacher came up with a really good idea for the school concert. Okay, here is school concert. That means the teacher came up with. That means have an idea. Okay, have a good idea about something. Okay, this phrasal verb shows it means they have or he have a good idea. Okay, the teacher came up with. We use here this phrasal verb that means have an idea. Okay, have an idea, a really good idea for the school concert. Okay, are you getting that? We use here the phrasal verb related with our previous point. Okay, now the next one is here. The sea is very rough today. The sea is very rough today. That means it is very in dangerous situations. Okay. Now that means waves are very fast like that. Rough today. Okay. The sea is very rough today. We must watch out for. Okay. We must watch out for. Okay. Watch out for. That means we take care of something. Okay. Watch out for the big waves. Okay. That means we have to take care of ourselves from the big waves. That phrasal verbs, watch out for, that means take care of. Okay, remember this. This is a phrasal verb related with our previous point. Okay, we use here according to sentence meaning. Now the next one is here. Oh no, oh no, we have run out of flour. Full stop. We will have to go to the market. Okay, that is the sentence we use here. Have run out of. That means it's over like that. That means supply. Are you getting that? This phrase show the supply. Okay. Oh no, we have run out of. have run out of means supply is discontinuing, or that means supply is decreasing, like that, or it will be over after some days, like that. Okay, we have run out of flour, full stop, so that you will have to go to the market. It is the reason. Okay, we use here this phrasal verb. Okay, for supply. Are you getting that? For supply of something. Supply for something. We use here this phrasal verb have run out of. Now the next sentence is here. That is the last. Keep away from. We use here direct that phrasal verbs according to sentence meaning. Keep away from the edge of the cliff. Cliff means uncha kada. Okay, the edge of the cliff. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. According to sentence meaning, we use here keep away from. That means to avoid. Okay, it means avoid. Avoid something. Okay, that phrasal verbs meaning keep away from. That means